we are organizing a neuro and spine oncology update on 12th March 2022 at Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Hospital, Rohini, New Delhi. As you are aware that Rajiv Gandhi is a premier institution to deal with all types of cancers such as brain and spine. This time we will be showing a live operation in which a patient will be awake and interacting with the neurosurgeon and anesthetist while his brain tumor is being removed. This will be directly transmitted to the audience with two-way interaction. There will also be lectures on all common tumors which involve brain and spine, how to do their surgery so that we can take out the total tumor without any problem, and then how can the remaining the roots of the tumor can be dealt by the medical oncology or different types of radiation oncology. There will be lectures on radiation oncology that includes conventional radiation, cyberknife radiation and proton radiation. Which radiation will be good in which tumors? Lectures will be by the eminent doctors of Delhi and outside Delhi. Thank you very much.
Neuro and Spine Onco update, which Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute is organizing on the 12th of March 2022 under the guidance of Dr. Prem Sagar. The Department of Neuro-Oncology would be collaborating together in this first of its kind offline CME, so that we get to interact with each other and with the experts who are going to be giving their talks on various aspects of neuro-oncology, be it surgery, medical oncology or radiation oncology. Me and my colleague Dr. Garima, as well as our team of eminent neuro-pathologists, Dr. Vaishali, Dr. Megha, my friend, Dr. Shilpa and Dr. Ishani, we would all contribute in taking you through the latest WHO 2021, and we would be taking all the diagnostic algorithms of the different tumors, the finer nuances of this classification. We expect an attendance of the pathologists, the surgeons, the physicians, radiation oncologists to come, interact with us, attend the conference, speak to our eminent speakers and learn from the way forward for the newest classification, the new treatment paradigms, and this will be a platform not only for the experts in neuropathology or neuro-oncology, but also for the neophytes in pathology or radiation or surgery, so that you get to know what is going to be the future of neuro-oncology in the times to come. So with this, I would like all of you to come and attend and make this CME a success. Thank you.